Good morning, class. Today is day 3 of our Otter escape room activity. I'm noticing that you are not completing the Google Slides. So I am going to show you where the links are. So please make sure that you are reading all the directions that I have posted for you. Do not just turn in your work without doing any work. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So this is day 3 of week 6, and I have written here that you must, number 1, complete the Do Now Wellness Check-in, then click on the links for the Google Slides. Here is the breakout code for number 4 and the breakout code for number 5. You have to click on both of these links and make a copy for yourself. Complete the task by answering the questions and solving the puzzles for both of them. And then you turn it in. Please do not turn in empty work. You guys are turning in work to me, but there's nothing attached in your submission. Make sure that you check back to see if you got the codes correctly. If you didn't, I will leave you a comment. You are to fix it and then resubmit your work. You will need all 5 codes for Monday because on Monday I'm going to give you a Google form, and on that Google form you need all 5 codes. Remember, the codes are the answers that you have found, all right? So I'll give you an example like this right here, all right? This was the other day's work. You need to have this code. You will have 5 of them by the end of today. And on Monday, you will be completing the Google form that looks like this. All right? So you need to have all 5 codes. If you're not doing the work this week, you will not be able to break out of the Otter escape room. Please follow all the directions that I've given you, and if you have questions, ask. I am here to answer your questions. Those of you that turned it in with nothing, I have returned it to you. Please go back and take a look as to what you need to do for today's classwork. Again, if you have any questions, please ask. Don't just turn in empty work. Have a good day.